Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about JavaScript functions. Functions in any programming language that you're gonna define a block of code and you're gonna reuse it multiply times. Whatever that function have a parameter to be dynamic, so each time it will provide for you dynamic output, or just function doesn't have any parameter and all the time will provide you a static or a constant output. Let's give an example. So this function doesn't do anything, just it's called it console.log hello world. So each time you're gonna call this function, it will print hello world because it's a parameter, it's empty. But let's first of all focus right now on syntax on JavaScript. How you're gonna define the function on JavaScript. And the name of the function, in my case, I called it my function. And after that equal function keyword and the parameter of that function, in our case, it's a 0 parameter, and two curly brackets, the first curly bracket or the opening one, and here is the closing one, and between both of them here is that you will find the body of the function. Maybe you will have one statement or two statement, three statement, I don't care, but it should all of them between those curly brackets. So here is that have console.log just display on message on screen message called it hello world. Alright, but how can you call this function? Here is it the same. I'm calling my function by telling him, hey, my function. So right now I call my function only one time. So it will display on screen just one time hello world. If I say my function twice, it will say twice hello world, and etc. Alright, the another way of defining function in JavaScript, you can just say function keyword afterwards the name of the function. Here is it my function and 0 parameter, it doesn't matter, and the body of the function, in our case just console.log hello world. And as well I'm calling my function by calling its name.